Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install VMware Player on Windows. So that's been said, let's get started. So to download VMware Player, just open your favorite browser and search for VMware. Let me tell you that VMware is a virtual machine. With the help of this VMware software, you can easily install different operating systems in your computer and open the link from vmware.com. Don't worry about the link will be in the description box. And here we have the VMware official website. So to download VMware Player, just click on download. All the VMware products are not free. Here you can see, here we have free product download listed here. So we are going to download Workstation Player. And here we have the download page. Let me tell you that VMware Player is a virtual machine. With the help of this virtual machine, you can install different operating system in your host operating system. In this video, we will just discuss how to download and install VMware Player on Windows. In next video, I will show you how you can install different operating system on VMware. I am using Windows operating system, so obviously I am going to download the Windows version. Just click download button to download. Here you can see it is downloading and it is around 132 MB. So let me complete the download. After that, I will show you how you can install VMware Player on Windows. If you want to know more about this VMware Player, you can just click on show details. Here you get file name, here you get build number and the release date. So the release date is 2018-11-22. And if you want to check documentation of this VMware Player, then you can click on release note. So here is the documentation. Here you can know more about VMware Player. So I had already told you that VMware Player is a virtual machine. With the help of this software, you can install another operating system in the same computer. So you can use that operating system without rebooting your host operating system. So the file has been downloaded. Let us open the file to install. Just click on yes. Let me minimize my browser and here we get a setup window. Just click on next. And here we have to accept the license agreement. So to accept the license agreement, just click on I accept. Then click on next. If you want to install keyboard drive, then you can check this box. For now, I'm not going to check this box because if I check this box, my computer will reboot. So if you want, you can check this. Then click on next. If you want a regular update of this software, then you can check this box. I will suggest you to check both this box and click on next. If you want to create desktop shortcut and start menu folder, you can check these boxes. Then click on next. And finally, here we get the install button. Just click on install. And here you can see it is installing VMware Player on Windows. So the software is finally installed. Let me click on finish. Now let us open VMware Player. When you open VMware Player for the first time, you get this kind of notification. So if you want to use VMware Player for commercial use, then you have to buy license key. We are not going to use the software for the commercial use. So we will just check this box and click on continue. Then click on finish. So here we have VMware Workstation 15 Player non-commercial use only. So this way you can install VMware Player on Windows 10. So that's it for this video. In next video, I will show you how you can install different operating system using VMware Player on your host operating system. So bye for now. See you next video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.